everyone. Oh my goodness. So the holidays creeping around. As you can see, this is my first video out in a long time. I'm returning back slowly. The holidays slowly approaching, or it's creeping up on us, I should say. And so I just wanted to get a head start on just cleaning and organizing my kitchen space. First thing I want to concentrate on is actually cleaning this spice cupboard. It just needs a little bit wiped down, the cupboards, everything, the shelves, just the items in there, and arrange a little bit better. Now I did do a video about cleaning my spice cupboard. Go and check that one out to see how it looked before, and then I'm gonna sort of concentrate on cleaning the whole kitchen. So I'm just gonna clean a cupboard per day, and get everything clean and organized and kind of look a little bit, like deep clean, I should say, for the holiday season. But I don't want to feel overwhelmed. So it's better to just start it now. I have been away from work for a little bit and thought, okay, I'm gonna do some deep cleaning. So starting with the kitchen, I'm gonna start with my spice cupboard, and you're going to help me to do this, okay? So we're gonna start by, first of all, emptying everything out of the cupboard. And I have to see what I need, because look, like this needs I think this needs a proper container for it, right? Why do we need one, two, I think that's it, different salt, right? Look at this. I ain't ashamed, my friends. I am not ashamed. This kitchen is well used. We all take turns to cook in this kitchen, and so things get a little bit messy. So let's clean it out. I am also going to stop by the dollar store and see what items they have that can help me to organize this a little bit better, right? So let's do this. Do you guys save these small ketchup packets? I do all the time, and also the salt ones as well. Right, so there has to be a solution for that as well. And let's go on the second shelf. And as I said, this cupboard is well used. We all cook. Some of us love to cook more than others, and so it's not always the most organized spot. So I'm going to do my best to clean it. You're going to help me. And see, I went to the store and bought another packet of this because I didn't realize that I had one already. So see, things like that, right, happens. More ketchup packets, sweet and sour sauce. I hold on to all of those and put them in my lunch bag when I'm having hot dogs for lunch or something. So that's what I do. So this is a cover. See, it's not it's not overly dirty, but yeah, come on now. Do better, people. So I'm gonna take these out, and then I'm gonna wipe down the cupboard, see what I need, and go to the Dollar Tree and organize. So the thing with these things, when you put spices in there, they really need to label to see what spices, to let people know what spices these are. I don't even know what herbs these are. I don't know. But those were not to be used as that. But somebody jumped the gun and did it. It's okay though. This one, what is this? It looks like, it smells like onion powder. Yeah, I think it's probably onion powder. But you see, like all these needs to be labeled because I don't know what they are. And maybe a solution to put stuff, all these smaller little containers in a bin would be ideal, right? All right, and then at the top, so this has 3 tiers, right? 1, 2, 3, and stuff. It's funny how we wait until the holidays rolling around to sort of start. Okay, so this has been up here for a long time. So I'm gonna take this one out. And garbage. Yeah, so all empty now. All empty. So I'm gonna get in there, clean those out, and wipe down that cupboard. So 1 cupboard a day. That's all I'm gonna commit myself to because I don't want to be overwhelmed. And the holiday season's 1 month away, so if I do 1 cupboard a day in the whole kitchen until it's all completed, finish up, then I should be good. All right, so let's start with this cupboard. So I went into my local Dollar Tree just to see what they had for kitchen organization, and of course it's the season, so everything is so Christmassy in the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree stuff are no longer $1.35, they're now $1.50 each, and they had some good stuff for organizing my small spice cupboard. I took longer than I wanted to in Dollar Tree today because I was looking at different containers for organizing my spice cupboard, and I end up picking something and then changing my mind about it. It might be a little bit too small or too large, and so I continue until I got what I want. And so let me show you a little bit while I clean and organize my cupboard. Oh, these are cute. These are very cute. I think that would probably be these. I do not have a small brush to brush this out, so I'm just going to use a dry cloth for now. Dry this cloth, and I'm just going to dust out all that excess dust before I wipe it down. All right, so then I can go in. Yeah, so I'm just going to wipe it out. I'm also going to wipe the sides as well, get all that yucky stuff. I'm concentrating on the 1 cupboard, and this is my spice cupboard that I am cleaning. I'm going to do the bottom tier now. I still have some yellow spots that I want to see if I can get out the stains, but I think I'm going to be using maybe a Mr. Clean sponge for that and see if I could get out all the stuff. So let me rinse this out again a little bit. Also the sides, I have some Dawn soap in here, and Dawn soap I find is really good about cutting grease, so I'm going to be using that as well. I'm also going to wipe down this door. See, lots of fingerprints, lots of, wow, yeah, I have to bring out the big guns for this. really and truly. This is for the, I gotta bring out, right? So I'm just gonna concentrate from inside for the moment, and when I'm done the inside, then I'm gonna just do the outside. And as I said, I'm doing this one cupboard, and maybe do one cupboard a day. Okay, so let me get the big guns and see if I could get all those yellow stains out of there. I got my straw from Mr. Clean Sponge. Just damp it a little bit and see if maybe it can help me. Okay, let me see if I could get this. This is a cupboard, actually. I wanted to see if I could get off these spots. And they don't seem like they're coming off as well. I thought Mr. Clean would be able to just whip those up. Oh, what a fail, Mr. Clean. So these little marks are not coming out at all with the Mr. Clean sponge. I thought it would for some reason. All right, let me try using a paste. Sorry guys, this is a baking soda and Dawn soap paste that I was told should work. So let's try it. I'm just freehanding everything. And let me see if this and I'm actually gonna dip my cloth in here. See if I could get some of the paste. And what I'm really after is these small. Okay, it's doing its thing. Huh. Okay, it is actually working. Wow. Forget Mr. Clean Sponge, my friends. All you need is some Dawn dish soap and some baking soda, and it's taking off those bumps, those nice little grease spots. I am proud of that. That's good. Okay, that works. I just have to put some more elbow grease in it, that's all. But those little spots actually are disappearing. Okay, so I'm gonna just continue doing this. When I get to the part of organizing, then I'll come back. Okay, so when I use the paste, my friends, it seems to have worked. So I'm just kind of going over the doors, the inside of the door with a nice clean cloth, just to kind of get those out. So I think it looks good for now. I think it looks good. So now the next piece I'm going to be doing is I'm going to dry it out. Actually, I'm going to use a dishcloth again and dry out before I start, because I don't want it to mold. I don't want it to smell stink. Okay, so I think that's clean. That's clean. I can't get those yet, too much of that yellow stain off. Let me try again with that stuff. So my friends, I picked this up. These are actually shelf liners, and so I picked up a few of these. There's not much hold on the roll though, but it might be able to give me enough to maybe do 2 off the shelves, right? They did not have too much of a variety of colors, so I just kind of stuck with this one for now. This is all I did from the Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to measure it, make sure it's lined up properly, and yeah, I need to go all the way to the wall. Okay, my friends, that looks good. Okay, so I'm going to make a bunch more of these and continue on um, organizing, okay?
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, cause you're not.
If somebody here could tell me what these are. Hello, what are these? Pumpkin shell. All right, well, now we know. So this is definitely cayenne pepper. You said, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's label this too.
You have a label maker?
I have like a
Oh, okay. Like the working person's
label
label maker.
Whatever.
I hope you have nice handwriting. I had this labeled and stuff. It's a nice container, and I had some seasoning that I don't use very often in here. These are seasoning that I just use once in a while. So I thought I would switch it out to one of these container. Actually, it's purple. I couldn't get any other colors other than the purple, so I think I'm going to use this to store my seasoning. I'm going to leave the label on for now, because that would be another chore in itself to take. So this, I'm gonna clean it out like this. All right, clean it up. That's how I keep my chicken mixed in here. So I'm gonna change the bag and keep it in a bag and then put it in here. Or I can also, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I hope I don't run out of space. And then these can go in here as well, because they're all seasoning. I don't usually use these very often, but I'm glad that they're there and they have their space. And that's it for this one. All right, extra seasoning. I feel like I have to dry them off as well, so I'm just going to dry them off too.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So I use the same paste solution that I made and kind of clean off the cupboard doors. Make sure it's nice and clean. And I think it's good. Okay, so this is the big reveal. It looks very clean to me, organized, and I like how it looks. I think it still could refine a bit, but I think I am ready. I'm set. This is clean. This is organized, spice cupboard, right? And that's it, my friends. And the kitchen is nice and clean. Just you're inspired to make a nice meal in a clean kitchen, and also a very clean and organized spice shelf. It's not Pinterest worthy, but it's, yeah, worthy for me. Thank you for watching, my friends. We'll see you in the next video.